In all honesty, a portion of the mainstream natural products, nuts, and vegetables we eat today are man-made crossbreeds. They were made in research centers through particular reproducing, a cycle whereby just plants with ideal attributes are replanted. All things considered, there have been uncommon examples where bugs were liable for making the half and half plants through cross-pollination. Of course, these creepy crawlies couldn't have ever had the option to cross-fertilize the plants if people hadn't planted at any rate one of them in the zone. A large portion of the sections on this rundown are amazing in light of the fact that the lion's share are organic products, nuts, and vegetables that we consider to be common. Numerous assortments of the orange exist today. Notwithstanding, every assortment follows its underlying foundations to the man-made crossover when the pomelo was crossed with the mandarin. The pomelo is nearly as harsh as the grapefruit, while the mandarin is sweet. The mandarin has an orange tone, which is the reason numerous individuals misidentify it as an assortment of the orange. Wrong. The mandarin is a precursor of the orange. The history of the orange is hazy, however it is accepted to have first showed up in southern China. Throughout the long term, people have specifically reproduced oranges to make numerous assortments, making it simple to mistake the orange for other citrus natural products. Honestly, a natural product needs to have advanced from the pomelo and mandarin to be viewed as an orange. All things considered, the tangerine isn't viewed as an orange since it advanced from the mandarin, however not the pomelo. In any case, the tangelo, which we'll get to in a matter of seconds, is in an ill-defined situation. It's a hybrid of a tangerine and a pomelo. Also, as we referenced as of now, the tangerine was made from the mandarin. Peanut. The modern peanut is a hybrid of two earlier types of peanuts, the Arachis and the Arachis duranensis. The Arachis duranensis fills in the Andean valleys among Bolivia and Argentina, while the Arachis develops inside Bolivia. Both plants were found so far away from each other, they couldn't have crossbred naturally. Researchers ultimately discovered that the earliest settlers in South America took the Arachis duranensis from the Andean valleys as they migrated into today's Bolivia 10,000 years ago. However, the settlers did not quickly realize the potential of their new crop, and it was the bees that actually cross-pollinated both peanuts. The result was a new peanut that is the ancestor of today's peanuts. However, the settlers did not quickly realize the potential of their new crop, and it was the bees that actually cross-pollinated both peanuts. The result was a new peanut that is the ancestor of today's peanuts. Banana. The modern, common banana is a man-made hybrid of the wild Musa acuminata and Musa balbesiana banana species. Musa acuminata has a fleshy inside, but it has a very unpleasant taste. Musa balbesiana has a pleasant-tasting inside but contains too many seeds. Both bananas naturally crossbred in the forests of South Asia. However, the resultant banana, which is the ancestor of the modern banana, was sterile. About 10,000 years ago, early humans discovered the hybrid and learned that they could replant the shoots to create new trees. They engaged in selective breeding and only replanted bananas with favorable traits. This led to the creation of the modern banana. Although we've managed to create the perfect banana, we could not figure out a way to grow bananas from seeds. So, bananas will become extinct if we stop planting them. The absence of a seed also means that all bananas have the same genetic properties as they are replanted from the shoot of another tree. As a result, all the world's banana trees could be wiped out by a single disease. Almond. The almond is a man-made half and half of the wild almond, which is famously harsh and could be destructive when burned through in impressive sums. The historical backdrop of the cutting-edge almond is muddled. Researchers actually can't figure out which variation of the wild almond was specifically reproduced to make the advanced almond. Scientists have their theories though. They suspect that the wild ancestor of the almond is the Amygdalus fenzliana, Fritsch, Lipsky because its trees, seeds, and fruits resemble the modern almond. It's also found in Armenia and Azerbaijan, where today's almond is believed to have been selectively bred by humans. Besides the origin, scientists cannot determine how our ancestors managed to create a perfect, sweet almond because the almond is poisonous. Carrots. Carrots haven't always been orange. Natural carrots were either white or purple and probably inedible. There are even accounts that white carrots were eaten in the Roman Empire, but historians believe that they could have been parsnips, white carrots, or both. Ultimately, the modern orange carrot we eat today is a hybrid of the yellow carrot, which is a hybrid of the white carrot. The earliest known ancestor of the modern consumable carrot appeared in Persia in the 10th century. Some accounts say it was white, and others say it was purple. Unlike today's carrots, those vegetables had lots of smaller roots of varying sizes. The Persians selectively bred the carrots with the biggest roots to create bigger roots and, ultimately, a big single root. Thank for watching.